So if you're running out of space or just want a fresh start, on macOS 26 Tahoe, you can completely delete your entire photo library, remove all the photos and albums at once, and just clear out your gallery in just a few steps. So for that, first make sure to open the gallery, and from the top bar, click on the photos. From there, go to settings. You can either open the Finder section or go straight to your photo library location. That is your entire photo library data. But please be sure that this will delete all your albums, photos, videos from the gallery. So if you still want that, you can either drag it to the bin or right-click and select Move to Trash. After that, you might be prompted to quit your Photos app if you didn't quit it before. Just hit on the quit button, or better, force quit the Photos app. Now your photo library is deleted. But if you want them completely removed from your Mac system, just right-click on the trash and select Empty Trash. Now next time when you open the Photos app, it'll be launched as empty and brand new. You'll have this pop up, don't worry, just hit Open Others, and you're gonna just start from the scratch. Press on the Create New button, save it as a photo library as it is, and better to keep your photos in the Picture folder, which is the default setting. And then just hit OK. And that's it, your photo gallery will once again open up. Thanks for watching.